Hey, what? Ray Mac. Hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill. Hey, what's up, YouTube? This your boy Ray Mac. Alright, as you can see, this was a easy, basic ribs. All I did is put salt and pepper on it. And in between, while it was on the smoke, I did use some basting sauce. And I just used some of this here barbecue sauce that was made up by Southern Smoke Boss. Basically, that's it. This is your basic ribs. So I used baby back ribs. And like I said, I let them stay on the smoker for about 4 hours at the temperature between 200 to 50 degrees for 4 hours. I didn't wrap these at all and just used salt, pepper, and I used some basting sauce. And you can use your favorite barbecue sauce. This is Southern Smoked Sauce barbecue, so that's about it. And man, I'm telling you something. That smoker works magic. And as you can see right here, got a good smoke ring. And the meat is juicy and moist. I'm gonna eat that piece right there. And this is what we got, y'all. You know if you can see this. But you can see it. This is what we got. And I'm telling you, this is good. Yes, sir. This is real good. Southern Smoke Boss barbecue sauce is good. And I'm gonna show you what I'm having with these on the side. Look here. I whipped these up, man. Just used what was in my cabinet. Some mac and cheese. Yes, sir. So, this is for sides. I'm gonna have me a ball with this here. All right, y'all. Thank y'all.